Question 321. What role does CCD play in your approach to academic data analysis? CCD, Continuous Integration, Continuous Deployment, is integral to my workflow as an academic production analyst. It allows for the seamless integration of code updates in data analysis tools, reducing the risk of errors associated with manual deployments. I establish automated testing to validate data quality and analysis accuracy before deployment, ensuring that updates do not disrupt existing workflows. This approach fosters collaboration among data analysts and developers, promoting a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. Question 322. Discuss your experience with data visualization tools in presenting academic data insights. Which tools do you prefer and why? I have extensive experience with data visualization tools, like Tableau and Power BI, for presenting academic data insights. I prefer Tableau for its intuitive interface and robust capabilities in handling complex datasets, enabling interactive dashboards that cater to diverse audience needs. Additionally, I leverage its advanced analytics features to create compelling narratives around data. Power BI is useful for integrating with Microsoft ecosystems, streamlining collaboration. Ultimately, the choice of tool depends on the project requirements and stakeholders' familiarity. Question 323. How do you ensure compliance with data privacy regulations when handling sensitive academic information? Ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations, such as FERPA and GDPR, requires a multifaceted approach. I implement data encryption both at rest and in transit to protect sensitive information. Regular audits of data access controls are conducted to ensure that only authorized personnel can access academic records. I also provide training sessions for staff on best practices for data handling and privacy regulations. By fostering a culture of compliance, we minimize risks and maintain trust with students and faculty. Question 324. Explain how you handle version control in academic projects. What tools or practices do you use? I handle version control in academic projects using Git as a primary tool. Each project has a dedicated repository where I maintain branches for feature development, allowing for isolated changes without disrupting the main codebase. I enforce a branching strategy, such as Git flow, to manage releases and hotfixes effectively. Regular commits with descriptive messages ensure a clear history of changes. Additionally, I conduct code reviews to maintain quality and encourage knowledge sharing within the team, further enhancing collaboration. Question 325. What strategies do you use for analyzing large datasets in academic production? Analyzing large datasets in academic production requires efficient data processing strategies. I utilize distributed computing frameworks like Apache Spark to handle massive datasets effectively. By partitioning data, I can run parallel computations, significantly speeding up analysis. I also employ sampling techniques to derive insights without processing the entire dataset upfront. Data warehousing solutions, such as Snowflake, facilitate quick querying and analysis. Incorporating SQL and Python for data manipulation allows me to perform complex analyses while maintaining clarity and reproducibility. Question 326. Can you provide an example of a project where you implemented a data architecture from scratch? I led a project to design a data architecture for a new academic program evaluation system. Starting with stakeholder interviews, I gathered requirements to understand data sources and user needs. I designed a relational database schema to store student performance metrics, leveraging normalization principles for efficiency. Utilizing AWS, I implemented ETL processes to ingest data from various academic systems. This architecture enabled real-time reporting and insights, greatly enhancing the program's assessment capabilities and fostering data-driven decision-making among faculty. Question 327. How do you prioritize tasks when managing multiple academic projects with competing deadlines? Prioritizing tasks in a multi-project environment requires a structured approach. I utilize project management tools like Trello or Asana to visualize tasks and deadlines. I assess each project's impact and urgency, often using a priority matrix to categorize tasks. Regular communication with stakeholders helps clarify expectations and identify critical paths. I also allocate time for deep work on high-priority tasks while leaving room for unexpected issues. This strategy ensures that I meet deadlines without sacrificing quality. Question 328. Describe your experience with machine learning in academic data analysis. How have you applied it effectively? I have applied machine learning techniques to analyze student performance data and predict outcomes in academic settings. Using Python libraries such as scikit-learn, I built predictive models to identify at-risk students based on historical data. These models utilize features like attendance, grades, and engagement metrics. By implementing these insights, academic advisors were able to provide targeted support, significantly improving student retention rates. I also ensured that the models were regularly updated with new data to maintain accuracy over time. Question 329. What are your strategies for collaborating with non-technical stakeholders in an academic environment? Collaborating with non-technical stakeholders involves clear communication and active listening. I focus on translating complex technical concepts into relatable terms, using visuals and examples to illustrate data findings. Regular check-ins facilitate alignment on project goals and expectations. I encourage feedback and create an inclusive environment where stakeholders feel comfortable asking questions. Additionally, I provide training sessions on data interpretation, empowering them to make informed decisions based on the insights we generate. Question 330. How do you stay updated with the latest trends and technologies relevant to academic data analysis? Staying updated with trends in academic data analysis involves a multifaceted approach. I subscribe to industry publications, such as the Journal of Educational Data Mining, and follow relevant blogs and podcasts. Attending conferences and webinars allows me to network with peers and learn about emerging technologies. I also participate in online courses to deepen my technical skills, especially in areas like data visualization and machine learning. Engaging with professional communities on platforms like LinkedIn keeps me informed about innovations and best practices. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.